This brief video provides an overview of our instructional related program materials, our learning management system, our ebook resources, our McGraw-Hill Connect laboratories, Proquest, and career services. Bryan University students access the learning management system by going to bryanu.edu, then to the student portal. This allows them to access their classes. Using their username and password, this will allow them to access their dashboard. The dashboard allows them to see their current classes as well as any announcements that are upcoming for their class. They have access to the BU forums as well as the Library Resource Center. The Library Resource Center provides direct links to Google, the Online Writing Lab, APA-style formatting, as well as links if they should need additional help with their classes. Proquest is Bryan University's online research database consisting of over 5,000 peer-reviewed periodicals and articles. Proquest allows you to do basic search as well as advanced searches on any particular subject matter, simply by typing in the research that you're looking for, and then you can scroll on down and you will see it gives you specifics as to how you want to search. You can choose to search either by book, magazines, journals, and other options. Proquest allows you to search by relevance as well as date. It basically gives you the easiest tools that you need to search for the information you're looking for, providing excellent resources for your classes. From their dashboard, they can look at their instructors' contact information as well as their office hours. They can also look at the content that's going to be covered during that particular week. The syllabus is also available for students to view, which gives them a breakdown of the course description as well as assignment summary. But from the modules itself, it actually gives a breakdown of the to-do list and what is going to be due for that particular week. Students have access to their grades, their email, the library resources, as well as ebooks. They can view their book through the website, or a preferred method is to download the Vitalsource Bookshelf, which can be done on their desktop, laptop, or even a mobile device. Students have the ability to download their books for offline reading, which allows them to complete the assignment chapter reading as required. When they select on their book, they can see a brief view of the highlights for that particular book. Once they pull up the text, they have the ability to have the text read to them, as well as they can zoom in for clearer viewing of the text. Students can export their highlights, which provide wonderful study guides, helping them to be prepared for quizzes and examinations. Additional features within Vitalsource is the ability to search for key terms within the chapters as well as the entire book. This feature provides retention for key concepts and terms throughout the course. Students have the ability to use highlights to help them study for their examinations and quizzes. Some of them are built in, but they can also create additional new highlights as well as subscribe to people that have highlights for their course. Students also have the ability to use McGraw-Hill Connect, which allows them to learn at their own pace. One of the benefits of McGraw-Hill Connect is that they can quiz themselves to see where their learning knowledge base is at. This allows them also to receive immediate feedback, which reinforces the learning objectives. The McGraw-Hill labs provide comprehensive and realistic approaches to learning. As you can see in this description here, they show the layers of the skin and the muscle tones within the body. This is a wonderful tool in helping students understand the concepts of the course. Students have the ability to attend instructors' live classrooms, which are held in the conferences each week. This allows students to ask questions so that way they understand the concepts for the course. Another form of student engagement is the weekly announcements. The weekly announcements are provided by the instructor covering some of the homework concepts. And in this particular example, our algebra instructor is actually covering a particular math problem that is in their weekly assignment. Having the availability to view videos such as this at any time allows students to have the optimal learning experience. Each week the students are able to participate in weekly discussions. This also allows them to interact with their peers as well as the instructor. As you can see in this example here, there's a thread of the discussion. Students receive qualitative feedback from their instructors. Instructors can highlight a portion of their answer and provide feedback on that one individual answer, or provide feedback on the overall submission for the course assignment. Students also have the ability to download the mobile app, which allows them to access their courses and specific assignments and discussions. They can submit quizzes, assignments, as well as discussions to their instructors and their peers. Students can interact with their instructors through the BU Connect messaging system. The secure network allows them to have a thread-like email conversation about their courses. Students have access to the Career Services Optimal Resume that can help them build their resumes, letters, as well as interview videos. This is a great way to build their portfolio. These are just some of the resource tools that are available to our students here at Bryan University.